In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add smart delays in Manychat. Smart delays help you control the pace of your chatbot conversations, making messages feel natural rather than rushed. They're perfect for simulating typing pauses, giving users time to respond, or spacing content in a campaign. Start by opening your Manychat workspace and heading to the Home tab. This gives you a clean starting point and quick access to your projects. Next, go to Automations and open the specific automation or flow you want to edit. If you're not sure which one to choose, pick the flow where you want messages to slow down or where a follow-up needs a timed pause. Inside the Visual Builder, click the plus icon to add a new step. From the menu that appears, look for the Logic section. That's where Manychat keeps the tools that control how the conversation moves. Select Smart Delay. This block pauses the contact before advancing to the next step, which can make your bot feel more human and strategic. Configure the Smart Delay by choosing Wait For. Then select the unit that matches your goal. Seconds for quick, human-like pauses, minutes or hours for short follow-ups, or days for drip-style sequences. Enter a value that fits the user experience you want. As a practical tip, shorter delays keep momentum, while longer ones can re-engage users without overwhelming them. Also consider platform rules and audience expectations so your timing remains appropriate. Once your delay is set, choose what should happen next by selecting the next step. Decide whether the flow should continue to a message, a condition, or another action, and connect the smart delay to that step. Make sure the node is linked cleanly so there are no dead ends. A quick label on the delay can help you and your team remember its purpose later. And that's it. You've added a smart delay by navigating to Automations, inserting a step, picking logic, choosing smart delay, setting the wait, and connecting the next step to keep your flow moving smoothly.